Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. In our previous lecture we do exercise 1 and 2. In this lecture we will do exercise 3, 4 and 5 of unit 1 numbers and operations. Today we shall learn to write up to 10 digits number in standard form. Look at the example. Write the following numbers in figures. 4,734,659,870. We can write the numbers in standard form by using periods. Step 1. Place the digits in place value chart. 4 billion in billions period, 734 million in millions period, 659,000 in thousands period, and lastly 870 in units period. In step 2, here also we write the number in the standard form using commas as 4, 3734, 659, 870. Now let us start exercise 3. Write the following numbers in figures. Part A, 82,652. We apply the same rule that we used in previous example. Place the digits in place value chart. Place 82 in thousands period and 652 in units period. Then we can write in figures as 82,652. Exercise 3, Part C, 55,900,332. First we place the digit in place value chart. 55 millions in millions period, 900,000 in thousands period, and 332 in units period. Then we can write in figures as 55, 900, 332. In part D, 4,458,000,000. We apply the same rule and put the values in place value chart, and then you can write in figures as 4,458, 000, 000. Did you notice here that we did not read the place value of the 0, but we did write them to show the place value? In part G, 3,892,046,710. In this part we apply the same rule. We put all the digits in place value chart, and you can write in figures as 3,892, 046, 710. Comparing and ordering number. We compare two or more numbers with different number of digits. The number with the most number of digits is the greater number, and the number with the least number of digits is the smaller number. Look at the example. Which of the following two numbers is greater? 2234 430 574 or 2234 430 843. First we place the digits of both numbers in place value chart. Then you can see the digits of billions, millions and thousands are same, but the digit in hundreds, tens and units are different. In unit, one number is 874 and 843. We know that 843 is greater than 574. Then, therefore, 2234 430 843 greater than 2234 430 574. Exercise 4. Which one of the following two numbers is greater? 4746910 or 4746900. You can see the digits in millions and thousands are same, but the digit in tens and units are different. एक यूनिट्स में आपके पास 910 आ रहा है और एक नंबर के यूनिट्स में 900 आ रहा है. We can understand that 10 is greater than 9, therefore 4746910 is greater than 4746900. In part D, 600 610 890 or 600 610 589. Again, you can check the digits in billions, millions and thousands are same, but in units the digits in 100, tens and units are different. एक नंबर के एंड पे 890 आ रहा है और एक नंबर के एंड पे 589 आ रहा है, और आप जानते हैं 890 इज ग्रेटर देन 589, सो 600 610 890 इज ग्रेटर देन 600 610 589. Exercise 5. Compare the following numbers by putting an appropriate sign less than, equals to, greater than. Part A, 154 576 624 and 234 379 578. The digits in million periods of first number is 154 and digits in millions period of second number is 234, and we know that 154 is less than 234. Therefore 154576 624 is less than 234 379 and 578. In part C, the first number is 10 digits and whereas the second number is 9 digits number. Therefore 1819236 is greater than 718236555. Part F, 411122233 and 4111259 In this part, the digits in billions and millions pairs of both numbers are same, but the digits in thousands and units are changed. The numbers that are changed are 22233 and 259336, and we know that 22233 is less than 259336, so 411122233 is less than 4111259 In previous lecture we do exercise 1 and 2, and this lecture we do exercise 3, exercise 4 and exercise 5. इन सब एक्सरसाइजेज में से काफ़ी पार्ट्स क्वेश्चंस के मैंने आप लोगों के लिए कर दिए हैं। जो क्वेश्चंस रह गए हैं वो आप लोग को ट्राई कीजिएगा। अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन में आपको प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप पूछ सकते हैं। टेक केयर एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।